In this video, we are going to talk about finding the cheapest carpet cleaning quotation in Singapore. The carpet is one of the items that are used to decorate a room. There are many types of carpets which requires to be cleaned regularly to keep it in great shape and prevent the growth of bacteria and molds that can cause diseases. There are companies that provide the service of carpet cleaning in Singapore. The best are Singapore Carpet Cleaning, Absolute Carpet Cleaning and Mrs. Laundry Singapore. These companies will clean your carpet at the cheapest rates in Singapore. Quotations for carpet cleaning. The quotation that you get depends on whether your carpet cleaning is residential or commercial. For residential carpet cleaning, your carpet can be cleaned on the spot or picked up, cleaned and later delivered. If it is cleaned on the spot, which will take between 30 to 60 minutes, you are charged $70 to $200 depending on the size of the carpet. If it is picked up for cleaning, you are charged between $120 to $300 depending on the size of the carpet. If you require commercial cleaning of your carpets, you shall pay a minimum fee of $250. Then you shall pay an additional fee depending on the size of the carpets, which is measured in square foot. The size of commercial carpet range from 500 to 7,999 square foot, which will cost you $0.5 or $0.6 to $0.175 or $0.2 per square foot. If your carpet is larger than 8,000 square foot, you shall get your price quotation on site by a cleaning technician. The professional carpet cleaning companies in Singapore will ensure it is sparkling clean. How to estimate the size of your carpet at home. Carpets and rugs come in various sizes and shapes. You can get a 1-foot ruler and measure its width and length. Also, if the carpet is thin, you can fold it up halfway, measure it and double shorter side. Also, you can estimate the length and width of your carpet with your feet by walking and placing your feet one ahead of the other toe to heel. This will give you a rough estimate of your carpet's size. Of course, it is important to know the length of your feet. Tips to keep your carpet clean. When something spills on your carpet, it is important to clean it up as soon as possible to prevent staining. When cleaning your carpet at home, you should clean it with as minimal water as possible. Always use carpet cleaning fluids to clean up your carpet. Fluids such as washing liquids, detergent powders, bleach and disinfectant fluids will harm the carpet. Always use tools such as cloth or sponge to clean carpet with fluid. Before cleaning a stain on a carpet, it is important to test it on a less visible part of the carpet to determine the effect of the fluid on your carpet. To keep your carpet clean, it is important to remove any dust particles that are on the carpet prior to cleaning up with fluid to allow the fluid to be absorbed into the carpet fibers effectively. When dealing with a stain on your carpet, work on it with a cloth or sponge from its outer edge inwards to avoid spreading it. If you clean your carpet indoors, open your doors and windows to increase airflow to speed up drying process.